Good morning, boys and girls. It's time to learn about maths this week. We are learning about numbers to 10, and our new topic for this is addition within 10. So addition within 10 means plus. But first, we need to learn about this called number bonds. What is a number bond? Let's look. The first part of a number bond looks like this. Two circles together. The two circles together will go into one other circle. So let's look. I hope you can see. I know the camera is very close, but I want you to see the TV. So we will have one circle, two circle, three circles. These two circles go into this circle. So we will learn how to use it in numbers in a little minute, but for now you need to know that the number bond will have three circles and two circles will go into one. For example, well, this is what the number bond can look like, or the number bond can look like this. So it could look like this, it could look like this, it could look like this, it could look like this. And again, the important thing is one circle, two circles, three circles, and these two circles go into one. So when Mr. Tommy says number bond, I want you to think about the three circles, okay? Now, how can we make a number bond? Let's make some number bonds together. So, I will pick two numbers. How about 2 and 1? This circle has 2, this circle has 1. So, what does that mean? That means I have 2 in this group, 1, 2, and I have 1 in this group, 2 and 1. If I put them together, how many do I get? 1, 2, 3. So these two circles, these two groups give me 3. 2 and 1 together give me 3. Or I could say 2 plus 1 give me 3, or 1 plus 2 give me 3. Let's learn another one. I'll pick a bigger number this time. So if my two groups, my two circles said 4 and 3. So look at this. This group is 4, this group is 3. What should I write in here? It always helps to use blocks or to use our fingers or something like that. So that's what Mr. Tommy will do. So let me check. One group was 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One group was 3. 1, 2, 3. If I put them together, how many do I get total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 4 and 3 together give me 7. 3 and 4 together give me 7. Let's try one more example on the whiteboard. Let's see, eraser. Okay, what if I had 6 and 3? 6 and 3 together give me what? I'll use my blocks again because that makes it easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 3 together. So this time I have 6 black blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this group is 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 and 3 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 and 3 together will give me 9. 6 and 3 together give me 9. Okay, so let's look at some more examples. Okay, so I hope you can see this. Let me take you a little bit closer again. If you don't see Mr. Tommy, that's okay. I want you to see the TV, that's more important. So, we can share one group of things into two groups of things to make two parts of a number bond. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 little balls and I want to make a number bond. I could do it like this. I could have 1, 2 in this group, and I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this group. So 5 and 2 together should give me what? 7. So the whole number was 7. So my number bond is 2 and 5 together equals 7. And again, I could show you with the blocks. So we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we could have 2. So 2 in here. See my 2 blocks. 1, 2, and 5 green blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 2. Wait, can you see? 5 and 2 together will give me 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Or there's another way we could do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. We can count two groups of things to make the two parts of the number bond. So again, we could have 5 and we could have 2, and 5 and 2 this way will also give me 7. Okay. We can do it with anything. Number bonds could be with little balls, or it could be with animals. So here I have 2 animals. I have 3 giraffes and I have 1 ant. So I put it into 2 groups. 3 giraffes, 1 ant, different groups. How can I make a number bond? I have 1 ant and I have 3 giraffes. How can I make that into a number bond? Well, we could say, and I'll take you a little bit closer again, we could say this group, the whole number, is all the animals. This group is for ants and this group is for giraffes. So giraffes and ants together will give me how many? 1 and 3 together will give me how many? So let's see. We have 1 ant. We have 3 giraffes. Together, all the animals together should give me, let's see, should give me 4. So all the animals together, answer is 4. Let's practice. Okay, so here you see another number bond. You have group number 1, group number 2. So this group would go into this circle and this group will go into this circle. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 goes into this circle. So 8 and 2 together give me how many? You could use your blocks, you could use your fingers to count, or you can count all of this. So if there's 8 here, 9, 10. I think the answer should be 10. So all the 2 groups together, the answer should be 10. So 8 and 2 together give me 10. Okay, let's try it with some pirates and some tennis balls. Tennis balls. Count how many pirates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tennis balls. How many pirates? Hey, we have 7 pirates. How many tennis balls? 1, 2. So we should put 2 in here. And then again, how many all together? All together, the pirates and the tennis balls, how many? 7 and 2 together. So here's 7. We can put 2 more. 1, 2. How many more do we have? The answer should be 9. So 7 and 2 together give me 9. Should give me 9. Okay. And here's another one. So we can count how many black dots do we have in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can count how many black dots in here. 1, 2. We should have 2 black dots in here. And again, 5 and 2 together should give me 7. So all together, I should have 7. So this is another number bond. The 2 smaller circles go together to give me this number. 5 and 2 equal 7. 5 plus 2, 5 and 2 together. Lots of ways to say it. Okay, so activity at home. This is just an idea for the parents to practice at home. You do not need to send me video or photo of this. I just want to show you how you can practice extra at home. You can draw 3 circles on paper. You can get it on a whiteboard like this, or you can use 3 paper plates like this. And you just give the students different numbers. So you could give them 6 blocks, and then the students need to make different number bonds. You could give them 7 toys, and they need to make the different number bonds too. You could give them 10 apples, and then they would need to do 1 group of 6, 1 group of 4. You could give them 5 erasers, and they would do 4 erasers over here, 1 eraser over here. Together will give me 5. So that's just one example of how we would do it in school, and we will do this in school when we are back. So if you want to practice like this at home, okay, but if you have no time, that is okay too. Another example for you. So we could have 4 little stones, and 1 together would give me 5. So the students know how to count the 2 groups together, and they know the answer should be 5. So just a little idea for home. But now the most important thing is your worksheet. So you will have 2 jobs here. You have to draw a number bond and then write the number bond. So over here, let me bring you a little bit closer again so you can see. Okay. So you will draw the number bond here, and you will write the number bond here. So for example, maybe you could choose fruit. So you could draw 6 bananas and 3 apples. Together will give you 9 fruit. You could pick shapes. You could draw 3 triangles and 3 circles. Together gives you 6 shapes. So you can pick anything you like, anything in your imagination. Here is an example for you. So this one is about shapes. So you draw it first. First you draw 2 circles, 1 triangle. Together give me 3 shapes. And then you will write it 2. So 2, 1, 2 and 1 together give me 3. So 2 and 1 together give me 3. And then you also have workbook page 21. and you just look at the groups. So you think about what groups can you use, and I'm going to put you very close to the TV so you can see. We have bumblebees. How can we put these into two groups? I see one bumblebee is sleeping, and I see 4 bumblebees are flying. So 4 and 1, I would put 4 here and 1 here. What about the monkeys? 3 monkeys are wearing hats. 1, 2, 3. 3 monkeys have no hats. So that's my 2 groups. 3 hats, 3 no hats. So I can write 3 and 3 together. Give me 6 monkeys total. And then the last thing for maths this week, page 22. And again, you just look at the number bond and you write in the missing number. So you practice your counting skills. So example 4 and 1 together. Give me this number. You can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can use your fingers, you can use your blocks, you can use anything you have at home. This one, 9. 1, 2. I write 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will write 7 here. So that is your homework for this week 1/1. You have workbook page 21, workbook page 22. You have a worksheet, and that's it. We will practice number bonds a lot on Zoom tomorrow, and we will practice number bonds when we go back to school. So even if this is a little bit difficult, and it is a little bit difficult, please try your best at home. If the students do not understand it right away, never mind. We will practice on Zoom, we will practice next week, and we will practice when we go back to school. So just try your best, have fun with it. Please take a photo and send me, and ask me any questions that you have. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.